Hi, this is Foodie Phil, and here's my video on one of the best baked turkey breasts you are ever going to have. So always, the best thing to do is to use a bone-in turkey breast. This is going to give you a lot more flavor than a boneless turkey breast. First thing, soften about 5 or 6 tablespoons of butter, or use duck fat like I am using. To that, you're going to add a tablespoon of sage and thyme, plus 2 tablespoons of parsley. Also add a tablespoon of minced garlic, a couple of teaspoons of rosemary, and salt and pepper. Mix this up really well in your melted duck fat or butter. While you're letting it sit and kind of doing its thing, cover a roasting pan with aluminum foil, then spray that with your favorite cooking spray. While the oven is heating to 450 degrees, loosen the skin on the turkey and spread about half of the butter or duck fat mixture under the skin. Then the rest of it gets poured on top. Place the turkey in the dish, bake for about 15 or 20 minutes until the skin is starting to brown, and then turn the heat down to 350 degrees. And while you're cooking, it's probably going to be 45 minutes to an hour, but I don't do anything on time. I do everything based on temperature. You want to cook this turkey breast until the internal temperature of the turkey is between 160 and 165 degrees. Once you've reached that temperature, take that turkey breast out, tent it with aluminum foil, and then serve it when all of your side dishes come together. This is Foodie Phil. Please like this video and follow me, please, for more food and other things that I talk about. Thank you so much. Have a great day.